Hi learners, welcome to Certified Professional Development. It is a reality that artificial intelligence is going to change the media industry. In this course, we will explore the ways artificial intelligence AI is transforming the media industry. We will begin by looking at historical changes in media consumption, and then delve into AI and the concerns and applications surrounding it in the media landscape. We will see how AI is creating content, automating tasks, and creating new opportunities. Finally, we will explore the challenges and ethical considerations of AI use in media. Think back to how you used to consume media. Did you listen to music on LPs or cassette tapes? Watch movies on VHS? Read the news in a physical newspaper? The media landscape is constantly changing, and new technologies are always emerging. This course will explore how artificial intelligence is the next wave of change for the media industry. Artificial intelligence (AI) is a branch of computer science that deals with the creation of intelligent machines that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. AI research has been highly successful in developing effective techniques for solving a wide range of problems, from game playing to medical diagnosis. In this course, we will explore how AI is being used to create content, automate tasks, and change the way we consume media. The rise of AI has also led to some concerns. One concern is that AI could lead to job displacement, as machines become capable of performing tasks that were once done by humans. Another concern is the spread of misinformation. AI could be used to create fake news articles or social media posts that are designed to deceive people. Finally, there are also ethical considerations surrounding the use of AI. For example, how do we ensure that AI systems are fair and unbiased? AI is already being used in a variety of ways to create media content. For example, AI can be used to generate scripts for news articles or social media posts. AI can also be used to create music or to edit videos. As AI technology continues to develop, we can expect to see it used in even more creative ways in the media industry. AI can also be used to distribute content more effectively. For example, AI can be used to personalize content for individual users. This means that users are more likely to see content that they are interested in, which can lead to increased engagement. AI can also be used to target advertising more effectively. This means that advertisers can reach their target audience more efficiently, which can lead to a higher return on investment (ROI).